Mariah Carey is an American singer, songwriter, actress, and record producer. She was born on March 27, 1969, in Huntington, New York. Mariah Carey rose to fame in the 1990s with her powerful vocal range and distinctive style, which blends pop, R&B, and soul music. Carey began her music career in 1988 with the release of her self-titled debut album, Mariah Carey. The album spawned 4 #1 singles on the Billboard Hot 100 chart, including Vision of Love and Love Takes Time. Her success continued with subsequent albums such as Emotions, 1991, and Music Box, 1993, which featured hit songs like Hero and Dream Lover. One of Mariah Carey's most notable achievements is her vocal range, which spans 5 octaves. Her signature use of whistle notes and melismatic singing style has influenced many artists and made her one of the most successful and celebrated vocalists of all time. Carey has released numerous successful albums throughout her career, including Daydream, 1995, Butterfly, 1997, and The Emancipation of Mimi, 2005, which became her best-selling album and earned her multiple Grammy Awards. She has sold over 200 million records worldwide and holds the record for the most #1 singles by a solo artist on the Billboard Hot 100 chart. In addition to her music career, Mariah Carey has also ventured into acting. She made her film debut in the romantic drama Glitter, 2001, and has appeared in other movies such as Precious, 2009, and The Butler, 2013. Mariah Carey is known for her iconic Christmas song All I Want for Christmas Is You, which has become a holiday classic and re-enters the charts every year during the holiday season. Her influence and impact on popular music, particularly in the realm of vocal technique and melodic style, are widely recognized. Throughout her career, Mariah Carey has received numerous awards and accolades, including multiple Grammy Awards, Billboard Music Awards, and American Music Awards. She has been praised for her vocal talent, songwriter skills, and ability to connect with audiences through her music. Mariah Carey continues to release new music and perform live, maintaining her status as one of the most successful and influential artists in contemporary popular music. Certainly. In recent years, Mariah Carey has continued to make waves in the music industry. In 2018, she released her 15th studio album titled Caution, which received critical acclaim and showcased her continued vocal prowess and songwriter skills. The album featured tracks such as With You and GTFO. One of the remarkable achievements of Mariah Carey's career is her residency in Las Vegas. From 2015 to 2017, she performed a successful residency show titled Mariah Carey #1 to Infinity at the Coliseum at Caesars Palace. The show featured her greatest hits and celebrated her record-breaking #1 singles. In addition to her own music, Mariah Carey has collaborated with numerous artists throughout her career. She has worked with renowned musicians such as Boyz II Men, Whitney Houston, Jay-Z, and Miguel, among others. These collaborations have resulted in chart-topping hits and memorable performances. Mariah Carey's influence extends beyond her music. She is regarded as a pop culture icon and a fashion trendsetter. Her glamorous style and glamorous persona have made her a constant presence in the media and popular culture. Furthermore, Mariah Carey has been involved in philanthropy and charitable work. She has supported various causes, including children's charities, cancer research, and disaster relief efforts. She has also been an advocate for mental health awareness, speaking openly about her own struggles and encouraging others to seek help. Mariah Carey remains an influential figure in the music industry. Her enduring talent, remarkable vocal range, and extensive discography have solidified her status as one of the greatest and most successful artists of all time. Whether through her music, performances, or philanthropy, Mariah Carey continues to inspire and entertain audiences worldwide.